we have created the Hello World program using Angular CLI. So now I will go through the code of this Angular project structure. So guys, you can see whatever the content of app.component.html file is getting reflected when we run our program or hit the URL localhost colon 4200. So whatever the content of app.component.html, it's reflecting here. So let me change this content. Let me append this with hello, welcome to Angular program. So let me save this. So it is compiled successfully. So this must be reflect on the browser. So yes, we got the content of the app.component.html. So guys, you may have question. So why the content of app.component.html is getting load, right? There may be several components, right? There may be number of components in a module. Then why this app.component.html files only getting loaded, right? As I earlier said, that Angular is used to create single page applications. So guys, I will show you index.html. This is the single page which server serves on the startup. So if you can see here, we have used the tag approot, right? And if you open the file app.component.ts, here we have given the selector app-root. So this is the same value. This is the same value of selector we have used in index.html, and means we are loading this app component here, right? So in if you see in app.component.ts file, we have used the selector as a app-root and the template as app.component.html. So whatever the template for this component is getting load, right? But you may have question how this Angular knows that we have the component and which has the selector as app-root, right? Because on startup this serves only the index.html because it is used to create single page application. So I will show you how this is happening. So if you go and check the source code for this index file, so right click and view page source. So here you can find it has added some script file. When we load or when we run our Angular program or project, it added some script file at the end of this index.html, because you can see in index.html file we don't have any script tag here, but in view source we can find some script tag is added. So this script tag is added by Angular CLI when we start our server by using ngserve. At the time of loading the index page, Angular CLI bunch this script file, that is JavaScript file, and add in our index.html file. So this JavaScript file is nothing but the TypeScript file. So whatever the TypeScript file we have in our application is compiled into the JavaScript code, and this JavaScript code is added in terms of script at the end of the index.html file. So here you can find the one script file called as main.js. So in our TypeScript code, this file is main.ts. So just open the main.ts. This will be our entry point for this application. So once the index.html page started loading, this main.ts file is getting add. Okay, so here in main.ts file you can file, we have bootstrap the module, that is app module. What is mean by bootstrap module? Means we have loaded the app module at the time of starting only. Bootstrap means starting, injecting. At the time of starting we have injected the app module, and from where this app module is getting injected, so here you can find it is imported from app.module. So by default we skip the .ts extension, so means it is from app.module.ts file. So let me open the app.module.ts file. So this is the app.module.ts file. Okay, so this is the module file, right? It defines our module, that is app module. In app.module.ts file, here also we find this bootstrap app component, because in one module there may be several components. Currently we have only one component, but going forward we may have multiple components. So which component should be loaded first? So we have mentioned as bootstrap, that is app component. Means at the starting of the index dot, or at the time of loading the index.html file, app module is getting injected, that is loaded. Once the app module is loaded, we have load the app.component.ts file. So let me open the app.component.ts file, and here we have the selector app-root. So once the app.component.ts file got loaded, that time index.html will find that we have the tag called as app-root, and that same name we have the selector for the one of the component. That time app-root will be replaced by the code of template, that is app.component.html. That's why we getting the content of app.component.html. Hope so guys, you are clear with this flow of the Angular. First time app index.html file will be load. By default, whenever the file getting started or whenever the file loaded, Angular CLI appends some script tag. In script tag we have the main.ts file. In main.ts file we are bootstrapping the app module, and if you find in a app module we are bootstrapping the app component. And once the Angular get this app component, it will find that we have the same selector whatever the present in the index.html file, and this tag will be replaced by the template file of the component whoever has the selector as app-root. So in app component.ts file we have the selector app-root. That's why the whatever the content of template will be replaced by the app-root tag in the index.html. So finally we have the only single page, that is index.html, but only the content is getting replaced. That's what's the flow of the Angular. Hope so guys you are clear with this flow. So in next video we will create the components.